Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of our Discord account being disabled by Discord. So for that, open up Discord's website and here click on support. Then you will be able to see this option of submit a request on the top. Just click on it, and then in the section of what can we help you with, select hacked account and then type in the email address that is not associated with your account, and after that type in the username of your Discord account which got hacked or the account which is disabled. Then type in the email address which is associated with your account which is disabled. After that, in this section, select this option of I clicked on a link, and after that in this section select no, no, and here also no. After that, in the subject type in account got hacked, and after that in description just type that I am not able to, and you can also explain further, and after that just click on submit, and then your request will be submitted, and wait for Discord to respond and help you out with your problem. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.